Hello everyone, hope you are well. So it's my newborn baby just come out from the eggs. 4, 5. Okay, there is 15 chicks within 16 eggs. Just uh, dropped from the cage. Them look, they are just day old babies. Few minutes ago they just come. Look, they are trying to drink water. It's just first day. Look, their mom eating food. Last 3 days she did not eat anything. Just teaching her chicks how to eat. Look, and she's eating rice. Here is all rice, and here is the boiled rice. Okay, look, so cute. So at the first day, what you have to do, I'm going to tell you that when they come out from the eggs, then you have to drop from the cage and have to give some like this food. This is rice, it's broken rice, small pieces of rice is small, so that the chicks can eat this. Okay, look, look, this type of, look, yes, mom is so hungry. Last year that she did not eat. This is why she is eating too much at a time. Look, and all of the chicks are here. Just drink fresh water, nothing else, not saline or any medicine like that. I always use these tricks, and I hope you guys follow these tips also. So you do not need to invest any extra money or any care of your devil chicks. Look, just drop them from the cage and give some fresh water and give some food like this, small pieces of rice, or you have whatever you have, just give them small pieces so that they can easily eat. Okay, look, this is so cute. Here is the some insects maybe. Look, do not need to this. Okay, look, here is the my chicks is coming in. Okay, if chicks need any heat so that they will go back their mom inside their mom wings, look like this. Your mom is sitting and babies will be go inside if they need any heat. Look, they are trying to come out. Look, this one will be cock. It's just day old chicks. Okay, look at his head. Okay, this one maybe there is lots of cock in this. Look, this one, not this one, this one, not like that. This one is not. This one will be hen. Okay, look, they are trying to feeding with their mom. So what you have to do next, I will tell you in the next video. So no more today, talk to you later with another video. Till then, bye bye.